Let's get it. We back at it. As y'all can see on the screen, we're gonna get straight into it. We got another story time, y'all. Meh. I'm sorry. I can't even what the hell was I don't know what the hell I just did. Me Christian auntie make me eat our front at 9 years old. I, I don't know what's going on here in the world, but we gonna she telling the story, we gonna listen.
Story time, my auntie made me eat out her front at 9 years old. But think about this long and hard before I even come up here and say me I tell that story.
I would think you would have
and
to.
the only reason why I'm able to talk about this is because I'm big now and I fully understand how everything play out. I just have to take my bad situation and just make fun out of it. At the time, she was my favorite aunt. Me and her was close in age. It's like I was probably 9 and she was probably like 15. But my auntie did love man like dog. Me and my auntie used to always sleep, and it started by she used to juke on me all the time, and you know, she used to always want to scissor with me. Like, me know it sounds weird for me just to drop it out this stuff, but it's like, why am I going to sugarcoat the story? Like, it is what it is.
All right, so people don't know what juke mean, like gyrate on somebody. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know, that's what juke mean. So she used to gyrate on her all the time and like rub up herself on her. Her cousin did.
It happened how it happened. When the whole eating situation started, when me and her used to date, like, me never think nothing of it. Me I say like, bro, like, that's my family member. Like, it's not weird. So one day me and her be together. She whispered in my ears and like, you know, just I'm smiling because it's like so weird to even like say. Like,
I think that's like more of a embarrassing smile. It's not like a smile like she'd like, I don't know. Let's continue.
Like saying it to people close to me and my friends or even like my sister is like okay, but it's like where I know a whole bunch of people is gonna see like this is so freaking weird. She said to me, say like, go by any, and I'm like, okay. Mind you, I'm 9, so I'm like, okay. She said, just long out your tongue. This is harder than I thought.
What?
So she just long out my tongue, and I'm like, okay. And I long out my tongue, and she put her pum pum over my face, and I was just weirded out, like, what is going on? And she was like, shh, just do it. And I did it, and she whined by my tongue. I really need to go to therapy.
Wait a minute. This
Wait a minute.
When it first happened, it was like so weird to me. Like the first taste of the pum pum was like so funny and so like.
I'm sorry. The way she said it just now, it just threw me off. It just threw me completely off the way she just said that.
Uncomfortable, and it was just so weird. Like for a while, it was just so weird. And then she said to me, "Don't tell nobody. Like, don't mention it to nobody. Just keep it between me and you." And mind you, she was my favorite aunt, so I was just like, okay. And every time we would take a shower, it would happen. Like every weekend, I would be over there, and it became like the norm.
Yo, this is. I always looked at people and say, sometimes being too close is too close. You got to really pay attention, even if they're family. You have to pay attention. I just got off of a live with my guy Jay Giddens just talking about stuff like this. You have to pay, and even if you don't pay attention, because you just may never know. Because I don't think, how could you know? How could you know unless she says anything, right?
It became a part of our routine every time we took a shower.
Wow.
And then I started realizing like that was affecting me as a person as well. Like every time I would have like a female friend or somebody that was a girl, like I was attracted to them.
So she turned her cousin pretty much turned out.
And even now at this big age, like I still find female attractive. Like I found females attractive for a very long time. And I like never really put my finger.
I think all women like women, but I mean, whatever. But this kind of probably heightened it for her.
On as why I was attracted to females, but at the age that I am now, it's like, that's why. Like, I love money, I love stiff food, you know. Let's really throw that out there. The story is not... just laugh, guys. Just laugh, okay? Just please laugh.
No, I laugh at that part, but I'm not laughing at the other part. The other part is disgusting. I'm sorry.
It don't make it sad for me, please. I love Big Old, but still body till the end. But yeah, I understand this was just like a traumatic experience, and yeah. And the hottest part about the whole situation,
What the hell does she do? She go from Jamaican patois to some Trinidadian talk. Oh, what? She must be mixed with something. She must be bought.
is this particular aunt is now a Christian, and she gave her life to God, and she's in the church, and she preaching, and she doing all of these
And she preaching. So imagine the auntie bomba.
Clyde. The auntie I play with God.
stuff, and it's like, I never got an apology for you ruining me. Yeah, I understand. And I was very like distant when it came to certain things like that. I'm using this accent just to not think of the reality of what is
Okay.
actually happening here.
I was about to
And I
say.
know when my mother see this video, she's gonna be very emotional. She gonna for breakdown, and my mother is against these things, and she's just going to lose her mind.
Why is she against this? Why would you be against this? Because you know why she against it? Because she gonna feel shamed because she wasn't there to protect her daughter. That's why. So instead of talking about it, she'd rather be, it's a lot of this. People don't want to be shamed. So now they don't want to talk about certain shit. So now she going around here doing whatever and bumping. Man, I know y'all looking at me with this apple in my hand. What the hell?
Because I know one of her friends or somebody probably see it if she didn't see it. And it's gonna
Yeah, you got like 400-something thousand people on your TikTok. So somebody seen this for sure.
get to her. So she gonna ask herself how all of these things was happening and she didn't know. So yeah. And I am pretty sure it has happened to a lot of other people in my family. And we're just all keeping quiet. But I got your back. I'm the voice of y'all. But yeah, this was a very hard story for me to tell, but I'm at the stage where it's just like, fuck it, it is what it is. Like, just get it off your motherfucking chest and
But
just
do you
let
have
it
to
out.
tell us
So,
though? I mean, I'm glad you
yeah,
told us
that's
because
the
we got
story of the
content.
time. My auntie made me lick she pokey, and I became very attracted to women, and I'm more attracted to a man than woman, but that's the reality. Like, I can't do nothing about that at all, at all.
Her aunt groomed her. She didn't really say how long this went on. She just said every weekend. So every weekend for how long did this go on? I mean, it went on one too many times. For sure. For sure, for sure. Like 15, 9, all of that, this, whatever. But you it's it's one thing to do something when you're a kid and you exploring this certain things, whatever, and you exploring things with other people that want to explore as well. It's another thing when you're forcing somebody to do something. It's another thing when you're forcing somebody to do something and it's not even of the same sex. Yeah. I don't know, man. It's a lot of this going on, man. Y'all, bring back shame, man. Bring back shame, man. Bring back shame. That's my biggest thing. Bring back shame. I seen somebody had some merch. I was gonna put out some merch on it, but I ain't got no damn money, so I ain't put on no merch. Boy, I tell you, but if I had it, bring back shame. It's your boy Urben Curse, man. Holla at me, man. It's your boy. Y'all watch y'all kids, man. Watch the people around your kids, all of that stuff, man, because you never know what the hell's going on. I'll tell you that. Because people, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. Because if you don't, you might.
Yeah.